Ma'am, what's this? Is it an indicator?
Yes, it is indicator. Ghost if comes without shadow, we can't kill with that stick. Did you see this indicator? With the rays it emits, the whole room will become bright. Ghost cannot come without the shadow. So, definitely, that ghost has to enter any of your bodies and then only can come out. If it comes like that, I'll take that stick and definitely kill it.
Oh, that's a great idea, madam. I didn't expect this. I meant super idea, darling.
What is this, ma'am?
After drinking this soup, that ghost has done the mistake. That ghost likes this soup a lot. Do you understand? Following this smell, definitely that ghost will come here. It comes and enters any of your body. It'll come to drink this soup. If it enters any of your bodies, I'll use this stick and then kill it. It cannot come near me because I have this stick. That's why, Swapna and Ravi, you have to be very careful. Every chances are there to come to you. That will definitely come. That's why all of us, each one of us have to sleep in different rooms. Is it okay? Be careful.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
What?
Sorry to disturb you this time.
Yeah, what happened?
Can I come in?
Come, sure, come. What happened?
Nothing.
Actually,
I can't sleep.
What? You have headache?
That's why I came to talk with you.
Tell me, what happened?
I mean...
Hey, Swapna? 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 Get up, Swapna. Get up. Get up, Swapna. What happened? It's okay. Relax, relax.
How
Don't
I
worry.
came here?
It's all that ghost work. Relax. You want some water?
No, thanks.
Leave it. Relax.
Sound from my room.
Huh? Open, open, it fast.
Hey, Ravi! Hey, Kumari! Get up!
Hey,
What's happening here? Get up!
hey, how did you come here? I don't know how she came here.
How dare you tell this to me?
Please trust me, Swapna.
I don't even know how I came here.
How dare you? You done all this, but you're acting and posing at me.
Wait for some time. Now that soup smell is coming from her mouth. So that ghost has entered her body and has done this. It's not at all their mistake. It has happened without their knowledge.
No, madam, no. How dare you are being with me and you're cheating me? Don't be in my side. Get lost from here.
I didn't even
Get
do
lost.
this, man. Look here. If 4 people are there, it'll create problem. You just leave from here. Till I tell you, you don't come here, okay? From now on, let's keep only 1 cup of soup. Okay? Yes. Cool down. Come on, cool down. Come.
Hi.
Hi.
Come on, darling.
Coming.
Come, we'll swim. Come. Hey, come fast. Oh, come on. Oh no.
What happened, Ravi?
That has come.
How did it come here? There's no indicator here.
It doesn't work in open place.
Swapna, get out of the pool. The ghost might try to drown you. Hurry up, Swapna, hurry up, quick.
Oh my god, is it? I'll go outside, you go inside.
Why should I go inside?
Oh shit, I'm not having dress, you go inside.
Oh, okay. Pass me a towel.
Towel?
Hey, what's this? Why did you throw the mat?
Did you see this? This instrument? In each and every room, I fixed this. Yesterday we have missed it. But today at any cost we should not leave it.
Yes.
This instrument, I am going to keep it under the soap. If I keep like this, when that ghost comes to drink this soup, this will start alarming.
Okay.
Everyone should become alert. And together, we should kill that ghost.
Okay, ma'am.
Let any difficulty come. Definitely, today I'll not leave that ghost without killing it. I promise you. And I'm sure.
Ravi! Hey, Ravi! Hey, Ravi! What's happening? With whom that ghost came? From him, that smell is not coming. Then the ghost was from Ravi. Nothing should happen. Oh my God. Ravi? Ravi? Madam?
Ravi? Ravi, go get the water.
Huh?
Ravi? Ravi?
Ravi? Are you okay?
Ravi?
What happened?
We killed that ghost.
Really, ma'am?
You don't have to be afraid. We have killed that ghost.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you
It's
so
okay,
much.
it's my duty.
My father always longed to live in this house, ma'am.
Oh.
But he couldn't. I was really scared. I thought even I wouldn't be able to live here. All thanks
it's
to you,
okay.
now I can. Thank you once again. I'll
Thank
never
you
be
so
able to
much.
forget this help of yours. Swapna,
Okay.
hereafter we don't have to worry about anything.
Hello?
Darling, I love you.
Yeah, Raf speaking? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll be there. Yeah, I have to book the ticket. Yeah, I'll start tomorrow itself. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
What happened, ma'am?
At Washington's White House, I have to take interview of Abraham Lincoln. They have invited me for that.
Wow, all the best, ma'am. Please
Thank
don't
you.
forget us.
No, no.
Huh?
I have to leave now. Bye-bye.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, madam. What, Ravi? Is it paining?
Why do you ask?
If it pain means ghost doesn't exist.
Nothing like that. I was a bit tired.
Why are you sleeping like this?
Hey, don't act like you don't know. You know what happens when you have crab soup.
Hey.
Ah, my cute wife, I'm ready.
I'm also ready.
What if Lingaraja goes? One day for sure I'll come out. I'll come. Definitely I'll come. I'll come and take revenge on everyone.
Welcome, sir.
What, Gopal? Had your food?
I had, sir. What about you?
I'm on my way. Going home.
Come, sir. Have it in my home.
It's okay. I don't want to trouble you.
Trouble for me? Why you are saying like this, sir? We are living peacefully because of you only, sir. Have you not recovered the chit fund money? We would all be in a big trouble, sir.
Oh, no, Gopal. You don't start now. Please take him in, okay? Hey! Hey, who's that?
Sir?
Hey, bottle money. This is not your area. What are you doing here?
We are waiting for you, sir.
For me?
Yes, sir.
To do what?
You have done a lot of good things for people. So we just want to give you something in return.
You're going to give me? Okay, give.
Sir? I too want to give something
Okay,
to you.
do it. Hey! 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 Stop! Hey!
Stop. Where are you going? Stop.
Sir, what happened to him? Who stabbed him, sir?
Please control yourself. You're not supposed to cry here.
Why won't you say this? You only don't like him, isn't it? That's why you're not bothered.
Constable, ask her to get out.
First, you get out of this place. Find out who stabbed him and go search. Get away.
Kanan.
Hey, get out!
I would never go. Without seeing him, I won't go.
Hey, come with me. Try to understand.
Please
Come.
leave me.
Hey, everybody,
Wait.
wait.
We won't go from here without seeing the inspector.
He's in the operation theater. You can leave.
Without seeing him, we will not leave this place.
Please listen to me.
Better you listen to us.
You chased me, no? Now answer these questions.
Inspector has had very heavy blood loss, so we need lots of blood for him. We are also trying for that. You also please try for blood. We need it urgently.
How did he escape?
Sir, give me one more
He
chance.
says he wants another chance. Give him the chance he wants.
Brother, it's your mistake only. You have turned a villain to a hero.
Let it be like that. Who's in charge of the station now?
That guy only. Nanda.
Super. That guy's gone. Now we have a new pain in the ass.
Relax, Shakti. It's tough to turn a baddie into a goodie. But to turn a goodie into a baddie is easy. The first task is to shut up Kesavan before he gets to court tomorrow.
That Pandian?
I will take care of him. Thanks, Nanda.
Just stop with that. Don't talk about money and abuse my responsibility. Don't strike a deal for this. I've done my job as a police officer.
What is this, Nanda? In this situation?
What, sir? Is it paining? You gave pain to many people. That curse is showing what karma is. These are the people you have cheated all these years. Without knowing that, they're all waiting to see you, thinking that you are a good man. Because of them, you are still alive, sir. All these years, you sucked their blood and lived in it. But today, they saved you by donating their blood.
Sir, tell us who's trying to kill you. We will kill them, sir.
If you still believe in God, first pray to them.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir. SP's on the line.
Sir?
Hey, hi. How are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Hey, are you mad or what? Huh? Why you're opposing Big Brother?
Thanks, SP, sir. I suspected he was the reason for this. But you just confirmed it.
Just listen to me. I'll talk with Big Brother and I'll solve the problem. You just be silent.
Thanks for calling, SP, sir.
Hello?
Sir, please don't mistake me. Whatever SP says is better for you, sir.
Hey, hereafter I'll be true to those who donated their blood for me.
Is it paining, sir?
The truth is being revealed. Hey.
Sir is not in town.
Huh? Is she there?
Money.
Will you give only money? Nothing else?
No. If we came to know, it would be a problem.
I won't tell him. What about you? Huh? Come on, baby, let's go and enjoy. Come on, it's time for enjoying. Bye.
Bye.
What happened? Why are you struggling here? I'm there for you, na? Here. Why are you looking at me like that?
I didn't get the love of my parents, and I've cried for that. I won't cry anymore.
Come on, sir. This is the best hotel in town. The food is good here. Right from the writer to the inspector, all of us eat here. Hey, get us something hot to eat.
Wait, sir. All the members of the beggar's family staying at the room. We'll be back soon.
Did you hear that? Look at the way he's talking. No respect for our uniform.
You must behave properly. Then he'll respect you. Have you ever paid for eating here? You need AC for free food.
Sir, we are cops, sir. We don't need to give money. Even if we do, they won't take it.
What do you want?
4 sets of dosas,
Okay.
8 idlis,
Okay.
and 4 puris.
Enough for you?
Yeah. I'm on diet today.
Sir, what about you?
1 plate idli. Excuse me. Give me the bill after I eat.
What? You are a police, no? You are asking me, Bill?
Leave.
Sir, shall I take a bottle of water for you?
No, regular water will do.
Okay, sir.
You told him you'll pay money and he's become so brisk? This guy doesn't even wash our plates. He's taken our glasses to wash them. Sir, hereafter please don't pay any money. These guys will start sitting on our head.
Hello.
Sir, Madhu speaking.
What's the matter?
It's a big problem, sir. Do one thing. Get 2 gallons of flowers and come to register office. Come
For what?
soon. Okay.
Hello. Madhu?
What's the matter, sir?
I have to leave now. You eat and come.
The bill?
Sir, where are you going?
Yes, I have to leave. This is for the bill payment. Keep the rest.
Okay, sir. You just eat this, sir. Sir, dosa is on the way. You want chutney?
Ow! Lousy guy. When I'm alone, you don't even ask me for water. Now you're asking me for chutney and sambar. How dare you, huh? Wait, I'll book you in a petty case and break your legs. Wait and watch. Go right now and get me some extra sambar. Go!
Madhu?
Thank you. I was afraid that you will not come, sir.
How can I refuse when you're invited?
My character is like that, sir. Suddenly I'll think, if I feel it's right, I'll do it. Morning only I thought of this marriage, you know?
It has to happen some other day. It's happening now. It's all for good.
Okay, come. I'll introduce to my friends. Hey, Ramya, 1 minute. These are my friends.
Hi.
He is...
You need not say. This is Nanda, right?
Correct.
Very rare to see a perfect fit police officer like you, sir. Madhu said you're very smart, sir. Hey, look at the prince coming.
He's only the bridegroom. He's S.I. Nanda. I invited him for the marriage.
Thank you, sir. I'm so happy you came to my wedding.
He and me are friends right from the childhood. Suddenly one day he told that he loves me. I was really shocked. But to be frank, if a girl loves her, she's really lucky.
Okay, don't keep talking a lot. The auspicious time is moving. What, sir?
Oh, yes.
Okay then. Give me, sir. Let's go. Sir, stand near me. He's from the bride side. He should stand here only. What, sir? Am I right?
Right.
Shall we start?
An important person has to come, sir.
Any VIP?
The bride has to come, sir.
Why have all of you come without the bride?
Sir, she is mad of makeups. Without makeup, she'll not even sleep. The makeup has not yet finished. Hey, bring her fast, okay?
Okay.
Thank God. Shall we start the marriage? Sir, please stop. Why you have started, sir?
What do you want me to do?
You should drop me, right? Can I ask you something?
Hmm.
You got upset on seeing other bridegroom. Am I right?
Yes.
Then, after coming to know that I'm not the bride, you become relaxed. Then you like me, right?
Yes. No. It's not like that.
If I call you with your name instead of sir, will you get angry on me?
No.
If I say you look handsome in this dress, will you get angry on me?
No.
If I take liberty on you, will you get angry on me? What do you feel?
Nothing.
Hey, I love you. If I say like that, will you get angry on me?
Definitely not.
Yeah, I want to meet your boss. Why? It's for an important reason. Go.
You don't worry, buddy. I will take care
then
of
see
that.
to it very fast. Who are you, man? What do you want? Since the time your father died, I wanted to meet you, sir. Just because of the rush here, I could not meet you, sir. Where do you want to meet me? Your father actually died in an accident and that's how everybody says. Yes, but actually he was murdered by the loafer guys of the other village. Hey! Who told you all this, man? Open your mouth and tell me! Sir, actually nobody told me, sir. I saw them murdering him with my own eyes, sir. Hey! If you would have told me then, I would have killed them then and I would have buried them next to my father.
Just stop it. You always keep talking about killing and destroying. Why don't you try this legally? Just give a complaint to the police station.
Hey, give me the phone, man. I'll call the police and tell. Wait, brother. What will the police do if you give a complaint? They'll arrest them today and they'll come out tomorrow. Therefore, just be patient for now. Let them roam around happily for some time. Then later on, chase them and kill them one by one. Only then you can retain your respect. Okay, partner. What he's saying is correct. Only if I chase them and kill them one by one will my father's soul rest in peace. Hey, how long should I wait for the food, man? How long? I'm giving. How long, man? Look, tell me. I'm giving you money and eating, na? I'm not getting free, right? Please forgive me. You be careful. I'll give you. Hey, what, man? Hey, what is this, man? Getting beating from small guys? What to do, buddy? I got to live, right? Hey, buddy. I thought you'll be living nicely. You're struggling or what? Yeah, that is what everybody thought, right? But the fact is different, right? Bro, in this era, it is easy to bless everyone. But it is difficult to live. Hey, come inside, man. Hey, see who has come. Hello.
Welcome, brother.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hello.
Welcome, brother.
Come in, man. Leave it, man. Leave
Come
it,
in,
leave it,
brother.
leave it. We'll take
Have
care
a
of it.
seat.
You go. Hey, just push the vegetables inside, man. Hey, sit, man. Sit. Sit inside. Hey, just get up, man. I'll just pull the mat. Bro, we need some water, bro. Oh, getting you, man. Hey, they'll actually eat meat very well. I'll go and get some meat and come. You make some coffee for them, okay?
There's no milk.
You make them black coffee, they'll drink. Hey, you drink water, man. I'm just going to the shop and coming, huh? Okay? Hey, drink and give me some, yeah. He's in fact struggling a lot, man. Feeling very bad, man. I cannot tolerate to see all this. Come, let's go, man.
Hey, what is he trying to do? Lifting the bricks over from here? Can you check
he has
it?
joined our workforce, sir.
Who appointed you? Tell me.
Brother, I was asked to buy something to eat. So I brought 2 of these. I didn't have money, so I thought of exchanging this with that.
Are you trying to play the fool with me or what?
Brother, I cannot exchange them for this. That's why I thought of taking metal and exchanging. Children are wanting to eat.
Hey, I know that you don't have children. You had misbehaved with your mother-in-law.
Oh, you have recognized me very well, or what?
Yeah, I'm going to put a poster about your activities, bloody.
Yeah, the jewelry you kiss the mother-in-law. The grocery you kiss the mother-in-law. The bus stand you kiss the mother-in-law. Likewise, you market me, man. Love the mother in the Lord, 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 love the mother, love the mother. It is a very familiar lyrics, man. Oh my God. I have kissed my mother-in-law. This has reached up to Hollywood or what? Now they still go to Spain, then Germany, then Japan, then it is going up to Bollywood, my God. Only thing I am not getting that much of earning, my God. Oh my, yes dear.
Did you saw him?
Wherever they go, they tell me and go, but for the last 4 days where they have gone, God knows. Anything important or what? Why are you crying? Tell me, dear. Oh my God. Where all should I search for you, man? Only after you told me that you are here, I came. For everyone, I have purchased food. Just take one by one and eat. Okay, I have to tell you something. I saw your girlfriend. She wanted me to tell you something.
What's it, bro?
You are going to become a father. I have never climbed mountains like this in my life. Now, how many more mountains should I climb to see them, man? Oh, I am going to die, I think. Oh my God. Hey, this is a fatso bro only who's coming. Oh. Hey, hold my hand, hold my hand.
Come. Nobody saw you, right, bro?
Hey, talk loudly, man. Talk loudly.
What are you saying, bro?
Hey, talk loudly, man. Hey, listen carefully. You have not killed anybody and nobody is searching for you.
Is it true, our brother?
Yes, man. From this village to the other village, I have asked every police station. There is no case registered like that. Why are you fearing of any case? There are only two people searching for you. That hotel lady and that shop owner. Our uncle is doing a lot of things for you guys, man. Too much work to be done. Come, let's go.
Hey, just stand properly, man. Oh, welcome.
Hello.
You're coming for temple donation or what?
Actually, we have to talk with you, sir.
Come and sit down.
This boy's name is A to Z.
Hello, sir. Hello. So what should I do?
Actually, he doesn't have any relatives for him. So we are taking care of his life. This guy wants to settle in his life. That's the reason we have come here. Actually, our friend and your daughter are in love. They want to marry, that's all.
Hey! Stupid loafers have joined together and asking for a rich girl's hand or what?
Hey, why is this man talking like this? Hey, do you have any clue what sort of big place he was born at?
What big place was he born at?
The general hospital. Is there any bigger place than that or what?
Hey, you are making fun or what? Please don't get angry, sir. Actually, he's an orphan, sir. He'll take care of your daughter very well, sir. Please allow your daughter, sir. This is a request from all of us, sir. Stop it, man! Don't talk too much. Just get out from this place.
Hey, do you know what we can do?
Hey, just stop it. Don't utter a word anymore. Sir, your family's name and your daughter's image should not go. That's the reason we have come now. Because of this guy, your daughter is pregnant.
Okay, this could be the fate of my daughter. You can take her from here. Look here, I don't want to kill you and go to jail. I'll consider that my elder daughter is dead. Just take her away. They are roaming around here only. Just kill all of them and drag all the dead bodies here.
Why are you getting tensed up, buddy? In this city, wherever you search them, you will not get. If they want to live themselves, they will live here. They don't have any aim in their life, so they're just wandering here and there. What will they do, when they will do, nobody knows about that.
So for that, we have to stand and wait here for them to come or what? They are not going to leave this place and go. We have to kill them. Give an idea for that.
Buddy, I know a person in the city who can finish off anybody for money. We will tell our case to him. The moment he collects cash, he will finish the group itself.
Then ask him to come today itself.
I'll tell him to come tomorrow.
Why? Will he not come now?
He will not come.
Why?
Weekend, he should not be disturbed by anyone. And he will also not disturb anyone too. Good morning, sir. Hi, buddy. How are you? I'm doing good, sir. When people like you are there to support me, I'm always good, sir. He's a sincere boy. Hi. I've told him everything. Just pay him the cash, and the rest he will take care.
Hey, look here. Our father and our sister was very dear to our heart. They died only because of those loafer fellows. You should kill them.
Hey, dude. We can actually kill them. But they should not escape at any cost. That's why you also should help us.
Now you look like a groom, man. Yeah, take it, man. Hey, why are you crying, man? From now on, we are not orphans, man. We also have a family now. Hey, brother, from now on, no more hotel food. All 3 times sisters' food only. In our bro's house only.
Bro, can you recognize those 4 guys?
Now only you look awesome, man. Hey, Ganesh, we have to bless the sacred thread and give you. If you give me, I'll give it to you back.
Okay, I'll get the thread and come. I'm coming. I'll come now.
Okay. Hey, dude, I'll buy the thread and come. Yeah, go and come fast.
Hey, buddies. Just be here. I'm sending for the death angels for you. Hey, come, man.
You are taking this tag. Which caste you are?
Hello, ma'am. I don't know all that. We belong to no caste, but we can tie this thread right. Hey, we should not leave them right.
Hey, it's not for me, it's for my brother. Hey, leave it, man. It's enough, man.
Hey, come fast, man. Hey, come fast, come.
Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies, just run away somewhere. They're coming to kill us, man.
Come, go fast. Go inside, come.
Hey, just keep running.
Hey, don't look anywhere. Don't look anywhere. You don't look anywhere. Run for your life.
Yes. Go.
They are all surrounding us. Come.
Yes.
I am not looking anywhere. Just don't look behind. Don't fall anywhere.
They are all over
this place. They are all over the place.
They are all over this place. Just keep running. Don't look back.
Yeah, go.
Hey, come this side. Hey, come this side. Run. Hey, where are you? I don't want to leave you. Oh, right there. Hey, where are you guys? Hey, just save me.
You will not be spared. Hey, just wait there, man. Hey, wait. Hey, you go that side. I'm coming this. Hey, wait there, man.
I'll buy you many toys like this. Will you come with Mom? No, I won't come. This is all for you, dear. No, I don't want. You're my sweetheart, no? No, I don't want.
Sir, you can take any child from this orphanage, but not Meera.
Why are you not allowing me to take Meera, sir?
In this orphanage, the other children don't have any relatives. But Meera alone has got one relative. His name is Mr. Shravan. I think you may also know him. Some years before, some money was mishandled by a private company. It was done by a very big group. Even though he knew that his daughter did not have anyone, to safeguard other people's invested money, security guard Tarun Kumar gave his life. His daughter is this Meera. People who invested lakhs of money got back the money and they went away. But Shravan had deposited just 10,000 rupees. He had the good heart to go and meet Tarun's family. After Tarun's death, all the relatives left Meera and went away. Her future was a very big question mark. When Shravan saw Meera, he decided one thing. To avoid Meera being taken care, her relatives brought her here and just left away. But Shravan, he had other things in his mind. He started coming here to meet her.
Here you go. Have it. Hey, have it now. Please. If you eat only, then you'll be healthy. Only if you're healthy, we can go to temple. We have to pray at the temple for our father to come back. Have it.
Brother! Brother! Look there, brother. Where this rickshaw is going?
To call our father. God is going in a chariot. It's okay, you come.
Within 6 months of Shravan taking care of Meera, she forgot her past life soon. Actually, Shravan is just waiting for a good job. The moment he gets it, he will take Meera from here.
It's been 8 years since we married. Only after confirming medically that we will not have children, we started hopping from orphanage to orphanage. This gentleman is actually very great. The moment he knew that this child doesn't have anyone, he started taking care of her. You said he was trying for a job somewhere?
He's trying at nearby hospital. He wants an ambulance driver job.
Hello, brother.
Your brother has got the job.
Hi, Jolly.
Now we are going to see a house for ourselves.
Wow, super.
Get down, baby. My dear sister, I have to go at 8 o'clock in the morning. Just for tomorrow, please go in the bus. I'll come and pick you up in the evening.
No problem, brother. I'll go, teacher. Bye-bye.
You'll go, no? Huh? Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, brother.
Hey, I'm just a single fella with a lot on my mind. I'm looking for me a woman, but she's mighty hard to find. Lord, ask my country cousin.
Awesome female, right? What do you say? Whack her or what? We'll put petrol later, dude. Take the vehicle. We'll follow her.
Finally, I have got the job. Everyone should be happy. You should help me for that.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Sit. Tell them bye. Bye, ma'am.
Clear up. Driving like a fool. Call the ambulance, sir. Not required. We'll take her to the hospital. Come. Fast. Open the door. We'll take her. Fast, quick. Open the door, yeah.
No, you just leave your bike here. We'll come with us in the car. Come. You sit here. You are also bleeding. Come. Sit. Come fast.
Peter.
Take the car, dude. Take the car. Fast.
Take us to the hospital. Where are you going?
Hey, what's the confusion, man? Throw the little girl outside. Out of the 10 accidents that is happening here is mostly done by us alone. Ask her not to scream around. This is purposely done by us.
Yeah, you get down. Chandru? Hey, why are you guys crying? What happened? Sister? My dear sister? Hey, what happened? Please open your eyes. Oh, my dear. Please open your eyes. Hey, please tell what happened. How did it happen? Tell me.
Hey, saw this pic.
Dude, this chick is really too awesome, man. Yes. Who is this? Oh, sister. Hi, a friend. Tell me who. He's asking right, you bitch.
It's my student.
Ask her to come fast. Once she comes, you can go. Yeah. Ask her to come, sweetheart. Won't you listen to what we say?
Brother, how do we go to 2nd Cross Street?
Go straight and turn right.
Okay.
Who the hell are you? Hey, can't you hear? Tell. Who the hell is he here?
Why did you do like this?
Yeah, tell me.
Please come here fast, sir.
What happened?
Did you see that? My only son! Just move it!
Sir.
What happened to my
we
son?
shall take care of that.
Just tell me what happened to my son! Tell me!
Sir,
my
just
son
cool
was
down.
killed!
Just cool down.
God! My sister should become a doctor. And I should also work at the same place. That's why I became an ambulance driver. But at the same day, I did 3 murders and went to jail.
No, I was not watching that video till now. I don't know anything.
Huh? What the hell? How a father supposed to watch A-grade films?
Actually, that mobile is not mine. I found it in the road.
I see. If I sell it, I'll get around 15,000. Okay, fine. I'll have myself. Bye.
My dear son, that mobile is mine. After saving my hard-earned money, I got the mobile just today morning. Please give it to me back.
Where do you get this matter?
In YouTube.
Don't you shame yourself? You're a father, but you're watching YouTube, RedTube, MedCafe like this.
What is that Meta Cafe?
I'll tell you in front of assembly, okay? Then you'll know
No, my dear son. My image will be totally damaged. I should not have committed this mistake at all. Please forgive your master, my dear.
If you want to do something like this, get married. Otherwise, don't insult the Holy Father.
Actually, situation makes the people bad, you know? No.
Kill you.
We never bred a chicken that had such a big leg.
This is Rajamanikim that you're eating.
Is it? But you loved Rajamanikim a lot, right?
More than him, I love you very much.
My first wife, Chandra itself, never loved me the way you love. I should have been born after 16 years. Or you should have been born before 16 years. We could have had some real good fun, huh?
You're drinking a lot these days.
That's why I feel very happy nowadays. Now you also take a drink. You'll also feel happy.
No, ladies can't drink like that. It's not
Please
right.
try taking 1 or 2 sips. It's good
I'll
after
give
that.
you one now.
Try sniffing this for once. It's really awesome.
I feel like puking. I have no idea how you gulped down all this.
First it'll be bitter, then it'll turn real sweet. That is the real fun of this stuff.
Blech.
Didn't you like it?
This is the only one thing that I really hate about you.
Don't you like it?
Next time you drink this, don't come near me, okay?
Don't you really like it? Are you sure you don't like it? Here, I pour it away. Henceforth, I won't take this bloody stuff. Just for you, I'll let it go. I'm sure you won't let me go. Seriously?
Promise.
Promise me?
I promise you that I will never leave you ever.
Hey, don't you have manners? Can't you knock the door before entering?
What nonsense formalities between us?
Hey, I'm warning you, don't play with me, okay? This is the principal room. You are a student. Get up, I say.
Okay, Theseus. Why do you call me?
That's a good habit. Whose pant is this?
This is mine, master. Someone stole this from me, like 2 days ago.
Hey, mind your language. What is this?
Kohinoor Ganda, master. How do you get principal even knowing what it is?
Shut your mouth! This is a very decent college. Indecent people like you don't have any place to stay here. I'm going to dismiss you immediately.
Master, this is a small thing, master. For control the population of our country, government is admitting us to use this, master.
Is that so?
Yes, master.
No. You have started playing a lot. You cannot stay in this place anymore.
Master, you watching sex videos. I'm a little guy. Forgive me, master. I'll never do it again. From now, I'll never call you Theseus, master. Mistakes are forgettable. It's written in the Bible, master.
Is that so?
Yes, master. Don't you read Bible correctly?
Hey.
Okay, I'll never cross in your line. You don't cross my line.
Confirm?
Confirm, master.
In that case, I will forgive you.
Thanks.
What?
Nothing.
Nobody can make me a fool, okay?
I see. I'll show you who I am.
You can leave now.
How do I look?
Too superb. Now just wear this and show me.
Don't look at me like that. Thanks.
Be careful, sweetheart. You're going to sprain your feet. Come, I'll carry you.
Hey, pass it here, pass it here.
Yeah.
Hey, go.
Just answer and see who's it.
This is some new number. I don't know. Talk and see, no?
Hello?
Hello, I'm Sundari's mom.
Yeah, tell me, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? How is Sundari now?
She's really fine here. She's living like a queen here. Speak to her.
Who is it?
Your mom, speak.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, dear. You're only sending money for us. But you forgot everyone. You didn't even come once at least to see us.
I'm the only girl here, no, Mom. If I come there, who will manage the house here?
You're speaking well, dear. Okay, how is my son-in-law? Is there anything special?
No, Mom. He's in college. We are planning for that a while later.
Okay, dear. You're just in my eyes. I'll try to come there as early as possible.
Okay, Mom. Inform me before you come.
Okay, dear. Take care.
Don't forget to call me. Call me and then come.
Okay, dear. Bye. She's changed a lot. If she's happy, it's well and good.
Look here, sweetheart. Here, sweetie. Please smile.
Oh, Jesus, bless us all, Almighty.
Good morning, Father.
Good morning, my son.
Good morning, Father.
Very good morning.
Master. Where you been all day?
What's your problem, my dear son?
I've come here to give you a mobile.
Why sudden change of mind?
No specific reason.
Okay, then give it back to me.
Before that, you have to watch a super video.
Did you get any new collection, dear?
Yeah, steamy video.
Okay, then let us see. She's little dark. Maybe an African girl. Hey, you idiot! When did you take this?
The day you want me get out from this institute.
My dear son, I have not worn anything inside. Except both of us, others should know that, okay? Please maintain a distance.
How do you wear your pants without wearing inner?
I practice it from childhood. I like it very much. Give it, my dear.
Okay, I'll give it to you. But already everyone watching your video.
How is it?
I just upload it on YouTube.
It's a lie?
No, I'm not lying, Master.
Hey! I will not leave anybody! I know what to do now! Till now, you have just seen. Now I'm going to show this entire university. Nobody can avoid me. Are you trying to play the fool with me? I will not leave anybody. I'm not going to leave anybody. Just wait and watch.
I actually don't like beer, but rum I love. Yes, sweetie, the movie was awesome, right?
The love scenes were really nice.
Now what happened?
Oh no, it's Arun.
When did you come? You didn't even let us know when you're coming.
Where do you get visitors?
Actually, it was she.
Okay, don't stand here. Come inside.